Hey guys, welcome to this YouTube guide, and here I'll detail how to switch YouTube profile. So if you have multiple YouTube accounts and you want to switch between profiles on your YouTube account, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to switch YouTube profile on your phone, this could be on Android or iPhone, just launch the YouTube application just like this. Then go ahead and click on the U button at the bottom right. Once you click on that, locate switch account and click on it. Once you click on switch account, then you have access to all the accounts you added to your YouTube account. And then come here and select the account you want to switch to, or come here and add a new account. So in this case, I'm going to switch my profile to i.4a. Then you should sign in as the new profile selected. Now, if you go back to the U button page, then you should see the new profile you switch to. You can just click on view all to have access to all the videos you have on this page. So that is basically how to switch profile in YouTube. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.